Planning a move and wondering how much it will cost? You're not alone. Understanding standard moving costs can help you budget smarter and avoid surprises on moving day. The truth is, moving expenses depend on a few key factors: distance, home size, time of year, and the services you choose. If you're moving locally, most movers charge by the hour. Rates usually include the moving crew, the truck, and basic supplies. The average local move can range from a few $100s for a small apartment to over $1,000 for a larger home. For long-distance moves, pricing works a little differently. Costs are based on the total weight of your shipment and the distance between your old and new home. The more stuff you have, or the farther you go, the higher the cost. Don't forget about additional services: packing, storage, or special handling for items like pianos or antiques. These add to your total, but they can also save time and reduce stress. The best way to get an accurate estimate is to request quotes from multiple licensed movers. Comparing estimates helps you find a fair price and a company you can trust. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email contact us at movers.com, or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.